Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 16. This is Section 2.3, Problem 16. It says determine if the fractions are equivalent. And we have two fractions, 2 over 6 and 7 over 21. So you could just reduce both to the simplest form and see if it comes out to the same answer. Or another option is multiply the numerator of one fraction times the denominator of the other fraction and see if the results come out the same. So when I multiply 2 times 21, I get 42. And then for the other path, if I multiply 6 times 7, I also get 42. So because I got the same result going each way, that tells me that those two fractions are equivalent.